All right, so if your bike's got a little miss to it at a higher speed, and you've been through the jetting's fine. Your gas cap venting is fine. But say you're on the gas for more than probably a half mile, 3/8 of a mile, get a little stutter to it. You can first stop. These things only use a 1/4 inch fuel line. You can replace it with a 5/16 line. Try that first, and then if not, you're probably going to need to replace the petcock. High flow petcock should cure that problem. I found that a long time ago. I had a bike that I was was just starting out, probably, I don't know, 18, 19 years old, whatever it was. And hard on the gas, hard. It'd pull hard all the way up to probably 100, 110 mile an hour, whatever it was. And then it would get a little jerk to it like it's running out of gas, which it was. It was running out of gas. Replaced the petcock, and everything was cool with it. So just something for you to check out.